Welcome back to our last module for child and adolescent development. So for our ninth module for this subject, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is the implications of studying of child and adolescent growth and development for educators. So wag na nating patagalin pa and let's start. So one of the implications of studying this subject is better understanding of students. It helps teachers gain greater insights into how children behave, think, learn, and feel. It also helps improve their ability to interact with their students, thus making them more comfortable teaching and working with them. It also enables educators to create learning situations and environments that cater to the diverse needs and characteristics of the students. Moreover, according to the research done by Kagan in 1992, teachers are most effective in their teaching when they attempt to understand students as individuals. Bakit? Kasi nagkakaroon ng shift in perspective. Kung dati ang naging practice is a teacher-centered learning experience, ngayon nagsishift na siya into being as student-centered or learner-centered. This is more effective for the students kasi sila naman yung magbe-benefit dun sa ituturo natin. Therefore, we as teachers need to learn how to cater to their needs in terms of learning. Another implication is making school more conducive to learners' development. So schools are one of the most influential contexts or environments for children's development. As we have discussed in the earlier modules, we spend more time at school than at home when we are students pa lang. These have an impact on the achievement, socialization, and psychological well-being of students, and also influence students' way of organizing their thoughts and cognition. Therefore, effective academic and non-academic programs must be conceptualized and implemented, employing the knowledge and understanding of students' growth and development. So, paano ba nakaka-impact itong developmental theories na to sa work natin as teachers? So, when we are given a certain scenario, multiple perspectives can be used to interpret a child's behavior using the developmental theories na napag-aralan natin in the previous modules. Depending on the theory na ginamit ng teacher, the manner of addressing and resolving problems may be different. So, anong takeaway natin dito? It is very important for us to have a deep understanding nitong mga developmental theories na ito para ma-apply natin yung best practices of each depending upon the situation. Kasi again, wala namang best developmental theory. Lahat yan ay merong pros and cons. Now, it is up to us to balance these pros and cons at kuhanin natin yung best practices para may apply natin ito sa work natin as educators. Next, we move on to the benefits of research in child development. Meron tayong dalawa. For the first benefit, teachers will better understand students' behaviors and abilities. So, students' behaviors that make them at risk for poor academic achievement can be identified and addressed immediately. Syempre kasi kapag aware yung teacher na, ay, ito pala yung mga red flags na pwede mag-cause ng poor academic achievement, kaya na niyang ipinpoint on his or her own and maa-address na siya kaagad. Therefore, hindi na kailangan pang lumala bago ma-resolve yung problema. Also, intervention programs that will mitigate these factors can be developed. Again, matutulungan natin yung bata para ma-overcome niya yung problematic behaviors na meron siya as of now. And second, it helps educators create an educational environment that promotes healthy development of all children. So research gives early childhood practitioners and policymakers the essential knowledge to use in making decisions on behalf of young children and families. Moreover, early childhood intervention programs based on research on child development have been shown to yield benefits in academic achievement, behavior, educational progression and attainment, delinquency and crime, and labor market success, among other domains. So, as educators, ano ba yung kailangan nating i-keep in mind? Okay? Merong mga katagang binitawan si Harold Garnet Black noon that could encompass kung ano yung dapat nating isaisip at isapuso bilang mga guro. Sabi niya, "The best teacher is not one who fills his student's mind with the largest amount of actual data in a minimum amount of time, or who develops some manual skill almost to the point of uncanniness." Yung mga practical skills, theoretical skills, yes, that's important. Pero may mas higit pang importante doon. Sabi nga, the best teacher is the one who kindles an inner fire. So, kumbaga, ine-encourage natin yung children to pursue their passions in life. Arouses moral enthusiasm, inspires the student with a vision of what he or she may become, and reveals the worth and permanency of moral, spiritual, and cultural values. Lagi nating tatandaan that every child has the potential to become great. Kahit sino naman meron niyang potential, it is only up to us to consistently guide and support these children. Kasi nga, it is our responsibility as teachers to discover each child's potential and be able to help them nurture and maximize the said potential. Okay? And that's a wrap for our child and adolescent development subject. Thank you very much for staying with me throughout this entire 9 modules. And hopefully now, meron na tayong better understanding and grasp on what is child and adolescent development. Have a great day!